Hello, this is going to be the first of 3 videos to explain how to use Google Hangouts. So welcome to Google Hangouts. What is Google Hangouts? Google Hangouts is a communication tool, which is part of the G Suite of applications. That means it's something that is integrated within all of the Google tools that we use at the school. It combines text messaging with video conferencing. This first video that we are looking at is going to concentrate on how to use it as a text messaging platform. The second video in the series will focus on how to use it as a video conferencing tool, which includes a way for you to share your screen with someone else in a different location. How can it be used in education? It's all about collaboration. Students can collaborate with each other across a classroom, across a school, across town. If they're working on some sort of project, they can talk to each other. They can text each other using the Google Suite tool. Teachers can collaborate on different things within a building, within a school district, wherever they can communicate with one another. But most importantly for our purposes here in Tyngsboro is it's going to be a faster way for you to communicate with your beloved digital learning specialist, that being me. How do we use it? How do I find it? Well, there's 3 easy ways to find it. It is integrated with your Gmail. That's the first thing I'll show you. It is also available from the Waffle on any Google main site like Gmail or Google Docs. And you can just type hangouts.google.com in your address bar and it'll pop up. So let's take a look. So if we go to our Gmail, notice our Gmail page here. And down on the lower left, right down here, you're going to see your name, your icon here. And you might see some names here if you've used this tool before. If not, you will definitely see this plus sign. And this plus sign says we're going to start a new conversation. And all we do is click on the new conversation. And you can enter anybody's name, especially if it's someone within our district. It'll pop up very quickly. You can see I have a bunch of people that I've already communicated with. So if I wanted to, say, send a message to Dr. Flanagan, I just typed in the first couple letters in his name, and there he is. If I click on it, a little window pops up, and I can start to send him a message, and it works just like a text messaging app on your computer, on your phone. And you can have a conversation. I'm going to pick up a conversation here. This is a conversation I had with Michelle Cerrone regarding some things she was doing with Google Drawings. And you can see it looks just like text messaging, and that's the way it works. So that's how you find it from your Gmail. If you want to find it from your Waffle, the Waffle's up here. We click on the Waffle, and Hangouts is this symbol with the little quotes in it. Click on that. This brings you to a different looking layout, but it is still Google Hangouts. It's the same app. If you open it within Gmail, it's kind of the mini version. This gives you all some sort of bigger options here. And you can see all of my archived conversations are still here. Like that conversation I showed you with Michelle. I click on her name, and it's the exact same window that popped up out of the sort of mini version on your Gmail. What I want to show you this for is sometimes when people need my help, they send an email, and I don't check my email as constantly as maybe I should, but if I'm in the classroom helping out another teacher, I won't check my email. If I'm doing a project or something like that, I won't be checking my email. However, if you send me a Google Hangout message, it will pop up on my computer. You can set notifications so that it will pop up on the computer. It usually pops up in the top right-hand corner. It will also pop up on my phone, like a text message, so that I'll know that you are in need of assistance. So in the future, if you need assistance in a more timely manner, try using Google Hangouts. That's the end of this video. However, on the next video, we're going to explore this button right down here, the video call button, where we can have a video conference between two people. Two students can have it, and you can even show the screen that you have on your computer to another person in another location, which would be very helpful for you if you needed my help and I was in another building during the day. So hopefully you'll tune into that next video very soon.